Everyday operation allows water to accumulate in the cassette, causing corrosion, downtime, and unnecessary costs. The solution is the HERRMANN KeepDrySystem. It dries the cassette automatically and provides preventive protection for in-ground lifts. Inside the installation cassette, water builds up either through condensation or moisture ingress from the workshop floor. With every lowering cycle, the control unit sends a signal, activating the integrated vacuum pump automatically. The water is reliably drawn upwards through the intake tube and then discharged in a controlled manner to the outside via a conduit. HERRMANN KeepDrySystem minimizes downtime, protects against corrosion, and extends service life. Questions about retrofitting or new installations? We will be pleased to advise you. HERRMANN KeepDrySystem. More information at herrmann-lifts.com.